Hello everyone, welcome to the class. And this class is about error detection and rectifying errors. We had left here, so let's get started from this sentence. Mary has a dog and she has a cat also. Now this sentence is incorrect. Okay, and do you see any error in that in this sentence? And do you have any alternative? Can you fix this sentence? Please raise your hand if you have any alternatives for this sentence. And remember that in this sentence, I want you to change the wording, meaning don't change the words with other words, but replace them. Okay, meaning change their place. Okay, so please raise your hands. Samavia is raising hand. Samavia, go ahead. Yes.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
um,
Mm-hmm.
Mary
Mm-hmm. Yes, Samavia, go on.
Mary has a dog. Mary has a dog, and she also has a cat.
Okay, very good. And she also have or his.
Has a cat.
Yes. Okay. So very good. So now
Also
we
have a
found
cat.
out.
Have.
Okay. Have. Why have? What makes you
Yes, sir.
feel have?
She also have a cat.
So what is your final option? Or final answer?
Because
Yes. What do you say?
have
Have. Anybody else? Do you feel that here
have
here have would come? Okay. Samara, do you have any reason why do you feel that there would be have?
have. She also have a cat. She also have a cat.
No, no, no. What makes you feel, that do we ever
No, I don't.
Acha, see, talk about, for example, say, uh, Nigat, okay, and tell us what Nigat has. Talk about some of the things that Nigat has got. For example, she has a book, right? And like this, talk about that thing, okay, and tell one more thing and use word also.
Yes.
Naturally, let's see what you use, have or his. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Uh, Nigat has a book, and she also that has a book and notebook. Has. Sir, we will use has here.
Have, right?
Sir, we will use has here.
Has, okay, has. Okay, Umenur, your hand is up, so say something.
Sir, I think that has will be used because has
Mm-hmm.
is used with he, she, it,
Mm-hmm.
instead of
Okay.
have will use with pronouns.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. So, Samavya, you were right that this word also would not be there where it is. Okay, and everything would remain the same. Let's see. Okay, so this is the error, and how we have to write it, we can say it in three ways. Okay, in two ways. Okay, so Mary has a dog and she also has a cat. Okay, the sentence that you told. But if you really want to use another word, then you can use two. Okay, and then two comes at the end of the sentence. Okay, Mary has a dog and she has a cat too. Okay, very good. Now let's move to other sentence. And everyone else, please show me your hands. Raise your hands so that I can see that you can fix any error. Okay. So who would read the sentence? Let me see the hands. Please raise your hands. Yes. There is Abdul Rafi and there is Nabil. Okay. Sarang. So anybody from these students? Okay. Abdul Rafi, you go ahead. Yes, Rafiq, can you tell us?
Not after class because I have go.
Your voice is not clear. Nigat, you go ahead. Yes, Nigat, go on. Nigat, do you see any error there?
I
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, may I read?
Read and tell also the error. Where is the
I
error?
not help you after class because I have to go home.
So where is the error? There is one error.
I
Sentence is not making complete sense. It's not giving us
have,
sense.
sir, here it is starting.
Okay, very good. So here you feel that there is a error. So what?
Sir, I would not help you.
Yes, I do not, you are saying. Okay, let's read the sentence with do not. I do not help you after class because I have to go home. Now, does it feel natural? I do not help you after class because
No,
I have to go home.
no, sir. I'm saying
Yes.
I would not.
Okay, I would not help you after class because I have to go home. Okay. Asha, anybody else? Raise your hand, Rafe. First, raise your hand. Okay. So if you, okay, now tell us. Yes.
I will not help you after because I have to go home.
Okay, good. I will not help you after class because I have to go home.
I will, sir.
Okay. As now see everybody, there are different options available. You can say I would not help you after the class because I have to go home. I will not help you after the class because I have to go home. I should not help you after the class because I have to go home. I can't help you after the class because I have to go home. Right now, we have to choose the best one according to the situation. Now, for example, say if this sentence, your teacher says, okay, so what do you think would be better here? How would your teacher, say this? Would he use I will not, or I would not, or I should not, or I cannot? Samavya, go on.
I cannot.
Okay, Nigat, what do you feel?
Can
I cannot, sir.
Sorry, say again loudly.
The same. I cannot help you after
Okay,
class.
okay, okay, good. So now see, all of these auxiliary verbs, helping verbs, they have different, they make different meaning if we use them. So you're right, maybe. Okay, let's see. Samavya, do you have to say anything? Your hand is up.
No, sir.
Okay. So see, you all of you were right that there is something wrong here. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so the best option would be I can't. Okay, I can't help you after the class because I have to go home. Now, see if there was will, I will not help you after the class because I have to go home. It means that teacher or maybe somebody who is saying this sentence, they are willingly, meaning they are themselves knowingly, or they be maybe deliberately, they will not help
They
you
don't want to help you.
because they are just going home. So it sounds that the kind of selfishness. Okay, and if you say wouldn't, then wouldn't is also same, almost same thing. Okay, I shouldn't, then the sense changes. Okay, so the teacher can't help you. Okay, or maybe anybody who would use this sentence, they can't help you because they have something to do, something else to do, and if they had not to do something else, they would really help you after the class, right? So this is the best option here. Let's move to another sentence now. Okay, who can find the error in this sentence? Raise your hands, everybody. Nabil, can you see any error in this sentence? Nabil has joined us for the first time, I think. Shanila, you go on. Do you see any error?
I do my homework next week.
Mm-hmm.
I think do do is a error.
Okay, so there is error with
No, sir.
do, right? No?
Sir, I'll do my homework next week.
I, can you tell me again?
Will
Loud- Loudly.
will
Mm-hmm.
sir will
Okay. I will,
I'll do my homework next week. Next week.
I will do my homework, right? Did you say that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Acha, now see, I'm going to do my homework next week, or I will do my homework next week. Now, both of the sentences are correct, okay? But when you say, I'm going to do my homework next week, meaning you have planned it, okay? And when you say, I will do my homework next week, meaning you are just intending to do it, okay? But you haven't planned it, okay? So you haven't planned it.
Yes.
You just say
Yes.
I'll do it next week. But when you say I'm going to do my homework next week, then you have really put it on your to-do list. Okay, Omenur, you have to say something.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's move to another sentence.
You can buy some blouse you want.
Yes, what is the error?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, anybody? Yes, try to find the error. Anybody who can find the error? What is the error?
I have found.
Please raise the hand. Who is talking? Azhar, please follow the rules. Okay, go ahead, Azhar. Tell me what is the error. Mm-hmm. Yes, can you? Anybody else? Oh, I was on mute. And I was talking. Okay, so error is somewhere here. Okay, so for example, if I took my son for shopping and I say to him that you have the freedom to buy anything. Okay, so what would be, here? See, I just told you something. Yes, Samavya.
Sir, you can buy any
Yes, okay, so you can buy any blouse you want. Okay, so error is there. Okay, error is here. Okay, so it should be, okay, it should be any. Now let's see who would tell me what is the error here. Yes. Do you have any other class or shall we continue? Samavya, do you
Sir,
have?
it is your class.
Okay, it's my class.
Now 11:30.
I started earlier. Okay. So what is the error here, Samavia?
Can I do anything for you? Not
Very
nothing.
good. Okay, very good. Can I do anything for?
Anything.
Acha, anything or something else?
Can I
Okay.
do something?
Yeah. Okay. See. Now let's find out. So error is definitely here, and when we say some, for example, when I enter in any shopping mart, okay, then the say boys who take care of the customers there, if he comes to me and he says to me, can I do something for you, right? So he would say, can I do something for you? Are you getting? Do you get? Okay, I hope it's very easy for you, but see, still it is a mistake if,
Yes.
yes. Okay, now who would detect the error in this sentence? Yes, Samavia, go ahead. Okay, Azhar, go ahead. Azhar is also raising hand. Let's give Azhar a chance.
Uh, I think I don't have too money or enough money. She doesn't have to.
So where is the error you say?
So instead of much, there should be enough or two.
Enough or two. I don't have enough money. No, no, no. I don't have much money is also correct. I'm telling you this, the first sentence, this sentence is correct. Error is somewhere here in the last sentence.
So
Tell me.
then she doesn't have to.
Susan doesn't have to. I'm not getting. Can you say it again?
She doesn't have to.
Uh, let's listen to somebody else. Okay. Yes, Samavia, what do you think is the error?
I think
Hmm. Yes.
I don't have too much.
Too much money. As I told you that error is somewhere in this part. Okay, in the last sentence. First sentence is correct.
Sir, I said,
What?
sir,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
uh,
Mm-hmm. Asha, now let me give you some hints. Asha, now see, this sentence is negative. This sentence is negative. My internet connection is very slow and I was disconnected. Okay, so I was telling you that this sentence is negative sentence, this sentence is negative, and the word is here something that is the problem here. Okay, two. What can we make put here? What can we replace this word with? Okay, I'm giving you a hint and then choose one. Okay, Azhar, go ahead, tell me. Yes. Yes, Azhar, go ahead. Otherwise,
Has or have.
what?
She doesn't have. She
She
doesn't have.
she doesn't have. Okay, now see, have is already understood here. We don't need to repeat the word have. Now I am giving you two words, and you should choose one of them. We can we replace two with neither or either? Who would tell me? Raise your hands. Choose one word from these either or neither. Let me ask this from Nigat. Nigat, what would you choose? Either or neither? Yes. Nigat, I'm not asking you a big or difficult question. I'm asking you to make a choice. So you would use either or neither. Ominur, go ahead. Okay, Nigat,
Sir,
Nigat.
neither.
Neither. Okay. So I don't have much money. Susan doesn't. Neither. Does it sound natural? Acha, Ominur, can you tell me why it should be neither? Samavya, go ahead, tell me.
Sir, we should put here either.
Okay, either. So I don't have much money. Susan doesn't either. Okay, this is how we say it. So everybody,
Sir,
and either or neither or neither either. Okay, so these words you need to understand. Okay, so if when they are used in this structure, we would use those in this way. Let me tell you that it was here. Okay, and here you see we would use either. Okay. Okay, now this is the here we are done with this slide.